All right, we have Alyssa here from Team Divided, and she's gonna give us a tour of her bus for bus cribs.
Okay, so this is the good side of the bus. It's Iowa State. My mom and my dad bought the bus in 2003 when I was 4, and my uncle has spent the last 19 years fixing it.
So this is 19 years in the making.
So when we first got it, it was just a plain school bus that we got from an auction. And we ripped up all the seats and, well, most of the seats, I guess. And at first we just put like actual couches in here, but we've kind of graduated to patio footed furniture and futons. We put a lot of pictures up every year, but these are my dad's parents who have passed away, and then Dion Winger, who was a teacher and a team member as well.
Very cool. This is the team over the years, huh?
Yeah. And kind of
Nice.
No, not at all.
other newspapers that we've been in. We've gone tubing in Eldora almost every year. So yeah, everybody has their own cubby that have wonderful nicknames.
So everybody's name with their own cubby. I like that.
Yeah.
You got the microwave cooking station. This is where all the meals are made.
When we can get it plugged in, yeah. I don't know if we're doing pasta this year, but that's what this is for.
What else you got? Let's check out the patio furniture.
Well, it's seen some better days for sure. We probably
Nice.
got this like 5 or 6 years ago. So.
And tell me about the floors. These bamboo?
Oh, I have no idea. You'll have to ask my uncle. But yeah, when we first got it, we used it for camping, and it was just the plain bus floor and like rugs. You can see them over there. Caleb, point to the right of you. Those old.
Yeah, Caleb. What's up?
That's my brother. There should be lots of good pictures up here with us. This is when we took it to prom. So that's him on the end, and that's me.
The prom. So this is also a prom bus.
Oh, it's an everything bus. That's me and Caleb. You know, probably 19, 18 years ago.
That's
Up in the
awesome.
front.
Life goals.
Yeah, sibling goals.
I have a little girl and a little boy, and they're 1 and 4. So
Yeah.
You
Well,
got it.
hey, that's about the time that we started. So.
that's right. Let's check out the back. What do we got out the back exit? Is the escape hatch when you guys get into trouble?
Oh yeah. This lovely drawing is also on the front of our bus because it's the one thing Iowa and Iowa State has in common.
Roll Tide.
Every year, their goal is to add something new to the bus, and this was probably one of the first additions. This
Back porch?
Yep. We've definitely had some people ride a few miles unknowingly on the back.
How often do you swing out and swipe a car with this thing?
As far as I know, it's never happened, but there's a first time for everything. So I guarantee it'll happen eventually.
All right, let's check out up top.
Dad?
So this could be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
So tell me, you got water storage for your shower?
Yeah, we got a shower ring that comes out here. We got a shower ring that goes right here, and just got a T-line down there.
Now, do you put all the weight in the back right here so you can pop a wheelie?
Yeah. About 80 gallons in there now, so about 400 some pounds of water.
Nice. And you got another
This was
storage back there?
originally for bike tires, but it didn't work, so we just throw lawn chairs and shit in there.
Nice.
Come up here. This is pretty cool. This is our hood, and we put all of our shit.
tote storage.
Tote storage up here. This goes up and down, just keeps the weather off it. Then we throw all of our tents, other stuff in there, and it'll never blow out. Did you take a picture of the front shroud, the sticker?
I have not, but you gotta show it to me.
Just go down in front of the bus and look up.
Okay.
It's a Nebraska sticker. Both Calvins are pissing on Nebraska.
Oh, she got me a picture of that in the back. I'm more.
Mom and Dad's farm. So a lot of us are family here.
That's where I grew up.
Oh, that the bus is parked right there, right?
No,
Nice.
no. I don't think so, but.
You gotta go with it, man. You gotta go with it. Yeah,
But
yeah.
another pretty cool thing is we added these rails to the outside of the bus for more bikes.
So you strap bikes to the outside too. How many bikes do you hold up here?
We've had about 25 on here before.
25. I've gotten 22 on mine, so you got me there.
And when we got this outside, we could put 6 bikes on the outside.
I prefer mine to be on the inside.
Yeah, but you got these big tie straps. They ain't going anywhere. Those zip
For
ties.
sure.
You got
And you got the sunsetter out there?
the awning.
Yeah,
We just got that a couple years ago.
that's nice.
Did it get torn off?
Now our old awning got tore off in eastern Iowa. Some chick wheeled out. We had our awning out and everything. Some chick wheeled out with her U-Haul, clipped it with her mirror, took the whole thing down. And we got stiffed for about $700.
That sucks.
Yeah, the guy wasn't very good
Yeah.
about making it right with us, but.
So this is the whole team. What's up, team? Yo. All right, well, thanks for giving me a tour of the bus.
Take care, bud. Thank you.